Dancehall entertainer Elephant Man, whose given name is Oneil Bryan, has been officially charged with breaches of the Immigration Act.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is your very first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get an alert. So people, Elephant Man has been officially charged. Based on a news report that was released recently, it says that officers from the Organized Crime Unit visited Elephant Man's home and served him with a summons. Now this is stemming from a voice note that went viral just last week, claiming that the entertainer entered Jamaica and failed to declare that he visited countries affected by the coronavirus. So now Elephant Man is actually being charged for breaching the law.
There are at the moment, there are no permissions for public events, gatherings, that sort of thing. It says those that were issued need to be pulled, divisions, so we shouldn't be seeing anybody setting up boxes for parties and all of that at this time. It is not permitted. So we need to withdraw them if we had given them, and certainly will not be issuing any further ones.
So that was just a little reminder. No partying, no box, no fear setup, no big gathering, none of that, no fear go on. You see what go on with bad boy Trevor from the video I'm telling you this morning? Alright then. Now, you remember the whole Wally British and the domestic violence thing, right? Alright, so Wally British is still on that mission. Because even though this whole virus thing are go on, Wally British are focused on helping some woman. We're in this domestic violence situation. I'm still I say thumbs up to Wally for that. So Wally British and Yannick the Curvy Diva had a conversation. And we are going to take a listen to what them talk about. Make could do that right now.
Me no want no gunman. Any man will come at my place or feel like say need to have a gun in here can go find another woman a in place. Right. So me no want a gunman in my hole. That is just a skit. And next thing again, Scatter made reference about what about the woman them were like the choking in the bedroom and all of this. We cannot mix up what people are doing in them bedroom for fun where both of them agree to with what go on out a road in a manner beat woman where them agree to that a different thing. Scatter asks another question again when I try to say what about and two people are fight and a man and woman? We not talk about man and woman we are fight with woman a throw blow and man a throw blow and sometimes the woman win and sometimes the man win. We not talk about that. The video will go viral that a couple of fight that a beat. You know what I say? So anybody when me see I try to go around and ask some little question and fix this a thing, I one thing it a tell me about them. My mouth and nobody has ever meet in this industry overall if I not at all. So I don't even know how much I want to follow up this thing because I don't want to see people put no foolishness to me and get me upset and then my reaction, no, then take it personal or whatever the case may be. Come on, Scatter. I mean, you probably was joking to your comedian, but me not hear nobody say me not hear from none of the man them we say, all right, a man them for snap beat them woman fire. Me not hear that. Me just hear some little question like say, all right, una try to even it out like woman a beat. As much as man a beat woman. We not even it out because me not care where any man will allow a woman to beat them. Any man will allow a woman to beat them to get their ass whooped because me not know too many women will have the strength of a man.
Thank you, no?
Me don't know too many women will have a strength of a man. So I don't even want to hear the look of people them will undercoverly beat their woman and other undercoverly has beaten their woman. I try to fix up and cover. I mean not necessarily as a Scatter in this case before media everybody take it and mix it all kind of way. Yannick, I am very passionate about the situation. Hear you talk, you say man has licked you before, but you wouldn't consider yourself a victim. Man licked me before, even though me not do as much as fight back like you can put up my hand like when police stop you as I come out a car. So when me do that now, me not chew on a bloke or chew beans. Me know me cannot beat them. Me make them do what them I do and me say alright from me threaten themselves it happen again and if it happen one second time and me see it now at my third time. But try to get myself away. But we see clearly and know say everybody cannot get away. Everybody has not been escaping and then this is where our country have a problem. But me find so we are gonna have a hard time trying to do nothing about it because there are so many naysayers out there. Well, like, no, this is going from what kill up and it can't stop. Slavery did a go on from what kill fill up and don't it stop?
True.
Don't let people could drive from bus with white people in America and now we're up in at the front. At the front, me going away just.
But what on a Wally?
No, calm down.
What on a Wally? The
Yes.
truth is, talk truth what God love. The thing is, females especially, we not support each other. We always reach a thing where first thing we say is the girl get beaten, she's soft. That's
She's
a problem, you know.
soft, but
When
me
you
tell you
say a while ago, you hold up your hand and say, you know what? You send on whatever your back or whatever you do to me, hold up my hand. This now happen again. Jamaican people, me don't know baby cross the world, but me know them have a thing where if a woman get beaten or you get beaten, so what you do? Lick him back, thump him back. If I mean that, you back some the boy there. That's the thing. So
That's
in a
the
woman
only
mind, you
chosen
tell the young
two
girl them
girls.
say, when beaten go on, box back the man. But the truth is, we not strong. Some of the man them, me like chopped in man. Me like big man. Me like man with
Right.
taller than me. So when him send on lick, my lick can't mash him up. Family can knock me out the whole day. I go sleep.
90% of man, how much woman can beat up man unless they get you man half yard and use something lick them out. Like, come on, realistic. Me never seen none where me can't fight it. I'll if me buck one was shorter than me because my punch will never be as powerful as his. So at the end of the day, we not supposed to find say we nation coming like say we accept it too much and at the norm. We are say, all right, nothing now can't happen. All right, for instance, these two what we see, me and a psychologist, but common sense tell me what from where me judge. From just seeing the video, all right, just see what I go on. After that, me know when come out and say, when I say I tell lie a little bit first, just like most of it, when police stop you first, why were you speeding? Oh, at this a place, you did I go on this a place. And you will tell lie till you come around that they come around with the truth. Either way, light come down on him and light come down on him. We apply pressure to him where me know say all the community come right down on him till all right, them come around and try to make an apology, a video saying I apologize and stuff like that. And me watch the video there too as well. And me listen to him Keely and stuff. And common sense tell me say, all right, it's possible what it can't change. You have a lot of people where say, all right, no, it can't change. Once a woman beat her, it can't change. You know much people used to rob and kill people or something at man and stop. You understand? So why we can't stop? Some are going to say again, all right, it's unforgivable. Out of the unforgivable when God have forgive we for all kind of stuff we are doing on a daily basis. You get what I say? So now for the couple, they now I guess it make too much nice, make money till government get intervene. Tomorrow they will accounts and stuff like that. The most we have to do because the police now lock him up and all him way. So the most we have to do now hope that him put a step forward and hope so with all the eyes them upon him now. Hopefully in turn a new page and stop. And stop the way I do. You understand? Instead of we're going to say, all right, him can't stop. At first, me feel like him for dead, and I do feel as though some woman were beat woman certain way. When me grew up, there was a neighbor over there, a man, and a woman over there, at least 5 years straight every day. Me hear the woman over there run up and down and a ball, and a big yard where only for the man family they live over there. And every day, the woman a ball where the man be say, you can't say that the man, they just have a beating problem. Where as I could do something shika, if you're continuing to stay with a man and him a beat you like that, you know, about whatever he's claiming that you're doing wrong. If you're still a day, you go and walk on eggshell every day if you make certain say you know make the mistake what in claim say he fight you for yesterday, you know. So there's no way you could be continuously and make mistake over and over and over and over. So some of them is definitely just something in them. Don't you know, say about 4 days ago before this come out, me get a message in my DM. Hi, this is such and such an urge. You can imagine them want to do with him saying the radio station now at work. You can imagine how you're the radio station I go like you're decent. Somebody went for years and years. You had somebody's child suffering and suffering and suffering. I know you're the radio talk about. Good afternoon, this is Ken Solomon.
Yes, Wally.
Lord Jesus. Yannick, when me know what I want to do, I try to do what I do then 2 days already. Somebody contact me today and say they are the manager of the artiste. Mr. Come on. Big and them, they have music business now, no manager. With the youth. And then now somebody else give the woman a nice makeover, whatever. They said the government intervene and they're going to counsel in the morning. So I say, I want to talk to the counselor. We want video, we want this, we want that, we want all these things. What say I was gonna say about the guy again? The man, let me tell you, poverty I want next something to we cause it to, you know. When people broke and hungry and stressed to and I know what to do. I'll feel music career where have hopes and dream and every minute in look and it can't work in look around one fight the woman, whatever the case may be. But mega EOM story has to be on the live tomorrow, you understand? But at this time when we find out, say, police or nobody now go remove her out of the home, she still love her man. I am not campaigning for them to break up because they probably do love each other. Me I come campaign for the domestic violence to stop. Too much man a cover it up. We are look at him and I say him not so 100 in her head, but if him lose 2 screws, he say the woman lose 4. You understand? If in the 100, he can't talk a good talk, so you know, so dunce. I'm pretty sure he got to at least 10 grade. While from the background check when me run upon the woman, from domestic violence from the yard, mother used to get beaten to all of that. She lose control out, you know, out in the street, beaten from them time but till now. Box bout, all bout, from Jamal not being able to read. So she grew up in it and all bout. You understand? So it kind of really bad past she. So we're going to see what we can do for them. But other than that, Yannick, there's so many 1 million women in my inbox now. I say, all right, where they want to get where they want to do. We have to come together and do something where government they not do, Yannick. People are reaching out to me and say they want offer land. What we say we can do if we have land in the east and land in the west, we can build something. When me tell you, say maybe we can save 100 of them, you know, but we can save 5 or we can save 10. Just imagine you have somewhere don't want to come out of the relationship afraid, but you have somewhere want to come out and just can't come out because they don't know where to go.
So I know the whole I want to listen right now. I want to say yes. What Wally has said makes sense. Me agree with Wally. Yes, Wally, make we do it. Yes, make we do it. I may agree with Wally too. Alright, talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this whole domestic violence thing. Is it out of hand? Can it actually be helped? Talk to me. I want to know. Watch it, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.